I feel like I never know how to pop the freaking chat out. Chat. Hello? Pop chat out? Where's the pop chat out button? There it is. Non-mod settings. Okay. Now I can actually chat with you guys. All right, cool. All right, what's up? We're going to go over frameworks. There's a whole bunch of frameworks for deploying smart contracts. We're going to look at all of them. We're going to look at all of them. I've looked at a bunch before. But today we are going to try to get a Chainlink contract deployed on every framework. And yeah, that's it. So let's do it. Truffle's easy. Because I've done Truffle a million times, but that is number one. I already have it installed. Truffle Unbox, our contract kit / box. I even made a PR to this to add price feeds. Just takes forever. Truffle box, smart contract kit. Blah, blah, blah. PRs. Oh, I'm on my DevRel one here. Data box for VRF and price feeds. Files changed. What is this? Multi-line comments. Sweet. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Does this copy all the code? No, just copy the name. Yep. Press consumer v3. I think this is all I need, right, to do this? Yeah, we're just gonna do it so that let's get rid of this. Oh no, we have to upgrade migrations and stuff. Let's rename to price consumer.js scripts. See how long these take me. Yeah, Truffle Unbox takes 12 years. Random consumer, I don't care. Price consumer. Is it the whole thing? Oops. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Nice. Okay, Truffle's in there. Random number, don't care. Interesting. I got rid of that. Get latest price script. Get latest price.js. I don't need this. Delete. Goodbye. I don't need this. Delete. Goodbye. And I don't need this. Delete. Goodbye. Goodbye. Fun contract. Don't need that. Don't need read randomness. Don't need to request randomness. We're going to skip test for now. Random consumer. And okay. Full compile. Ooh, let's fork Ganache, actually. Oh, I ran into an issue anyways. Let's do new workspace. Gary knows. Local development. For the link truffle products, your workspace, this must add. Oh, nope. Nope. Save workspace. Sure. Okay. So that's that. Config, networks, host, this. Cool. Okay. Ah, right. Let's change this to this. Compile. Oh, wait, can I do the network forking? Settings. Server. Chain fork. Forking can only be updated when creating a new workspace. Okay, well then let's create a new workspace. Cancel. How do we create a new workspace? Aha, new workspace. Local forked. Server. Chain forking. Boom. Okay, fork. Enter custom URL. Patrick, is there a simple way to return the result of an adapter if it is in timestamp format? Anytime I try to return a result that's a timestamp, I get result error. Is there a simple way to return the result? Is there a simple way to return the result of an adapter if it's a timestamp format? Are you looking to bring like a string on chain, like the timestamp string? Yeah, okay, well, I'm going to put a custom URL in here. Do I even want to fork? Yeah, let's grab a forked. RPC URL. Let's fork this. Okay. Do I need anything else? Cancel keys. Sure. Save. I've actually never worked with Ganache's forked from the GUI before, so let's try this. Because I'm doing price feeds. Oh wait, is this, if this is Kovan price feeds? Oh yeah, I gotta fork Kovan. Whoops. Let me cancel. Let me switch. Yes, it's a datetime string. So yeah, if you're looking to bring a datetime string, you're gonna want to bring it on chain as like a bytes 32 object. It might be. It's probably bigger than bytes 32. Although, what's your result error? Is that, are you getting result error on the adapter side? Yeah, if you're getting a result error on the adapter side, there's probably something happening. Like if you're able to curl or make an API call to your external adapter and it works fine, then great. But it sounds like you might be having an issue. You might be having an issue even curling. Actually, yes, adapter error, and I can log in the API, and it's giving me the data I want. So, okay, so when you call your API, you're getting an adapter error. I think I might need to see what your code looks like. Because you're getting an adapter error, and it's not able to post to the blockchain. Yeah, if you're getting an adapter error, it won't be able to post to the blockchain. But I guess I don't understand how it's giving you an adapter error, but it's also returning the data that you want. I don't understand that. Actually, we're just going to do this. Uh-oh. Ganache. Well, Ganache is having a hard time with its forking. So we're just going to stay on Kovan. 12 config. RPC URL, that's Kovan, cool. I have console.log for the response. Okay, cool. So the response is giving you the right data, but it's giving you an adapter error. So it's probably you're probably validating it wrong, or something's going on there. Here, actually, let me. We can even. Are you using JS? So let me open the Discord. So it's a little faster. C. Okay, using JS. Okay. If you're in the Discord, here's a copy to the link. You could probably chat a little quicker. I'm Cosmic God. Oh, hey, hey, how's it going? Yeah, you're probably running into external adapter JS Chainlink or template. That's what I'm looking for. Nope, that's not what I want. Template, external adapter, JS Chainlink. Where is the? Here it is. Chainlink EO, JS. So what's probably happening is, so in your index.js, right here, this is probably, so if you're getting the response that you want, you might not be validating it right. So the easiest way to do it is to kind of do this piece here. So put the data that you want in this result object, and then pass this response back to the callback. Yeah, if it's consoling.log out the data that you want, but this is probably where you're seeing the error. Or actually, probably more likely, I mean, the error will say, hey, it's here, but like this is really where you're seeing the error. So just making sure that this is right is probably what you're gonna. I assume the user, but what do I need to include? What do I need to include to not error? So if you're just, I mean, you want to, you want to validate that it's working correctly. So if it's not a number, you, I mean, if you're working off of this template, for a timestamp, you don't want to do this bit, request.validate number. You just want to do response.data.result equals, response.data. Whatever the timestamp, wherever the timestamp is. And then pass it, the same way. So, yeah, that would be my thoughts there. Yeah, don't do this validate result number because this is a method that checks to see if it's a valid number. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that helps. All right, cool. Well, I'm going to jump back to Truffle. Good question. I forgot where it was. Truffle compile. Yay! Truffle run migrate. Actually, Truffle migrate. Or actually, what's the default network? Network Kovan, and then this should work. Because I have my mnemonics set or not. Network live, excuse me. I have my mnemonic set. I have my RPC URL set to Kovan because I've done this a million times. Why does valid number return my string correctly then? Ah. You mean validate result number? I'm not sure. You could look into what this function does. Maybe it does just like return a string. I'm not sure. We could look into it, but you can check it out, find out. Sorry, guys. You'll want to see me check out my Chainlink node to make sure it's working. That text means there's an issue that I got to check out. I'm checking it on a different screen though. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Hi, I'm totally new. Where do I start? You're gonna want to go like Crypto Zombies, Dapp University, or Udemy for some Solidity courses. That's where you should start, or the Chainlink docs because they're really good. Anyways, yeah, cool. Welcome to the stream. Feel free to and here, of course. Gosh, it sounds like I need to use a different kind of validation at the result for data time and hexadecimal. Yeah, I would say so. You might want to write your own custom validator, or if you're just testing, you could leave it blank, or you could not have a validator in for now. But yeah, if for doing it right, you probably want to do a validator. Okay, cool. So we deployed. Now we should be able to run get latest price unless I deleted this. Latest price, okay. Pricing is everything. Deploying. Okay. Truffle, run, scripts, get latest price, network live. I wouldn't worry about it for now. I mean, the validator, all it's really doing is just it's just checking, hey, is this what I expect it to be? So like the number validator is like saying, hey, is this a number? So you could just say, hey, is this a timestamp? It could be as simple as that. And you could check for like the hyphens and the colons and stuff. No plugins detected in the configuration file. Oh, did I already forget how to run freaking truffle scripts? npm run bleh. Truffle run script. Am I being a noob? Truffle build, truffle compile, truffle config, truffle blah blah blah, debug. Exec. Oh, I am being a noob. Been working with too many other frameworks. Truffle exec scripts. Get latest price. Network live. Woo! Okay, it works. Holy shit, that's the price. Awesome. Yeah, if you're looking to build an adapter, that's a great place to look. Yeah, thanks for the tip there, Cosmic Cloud. Holy shit, look at that. Boom. All right, cool. Truffle. Done. Oh, I should make like a boom boom. ls touch readme.md. Readme. Truffle x. Oh, how do you check boxes on Markdown? I forget. That's what I did. Oh, is it lowercase? Is that why? Whoops. Maybe it just doesn't do it on. Maybe it just doesn't render here. Ah, maybe it just doesn't render here. That's fine. Truffle. Boom. Next we're going to do hard hat. Actually, let's just get all the ones that we're going to do. Truffle. Done. Hard hat. Embark. Waffle. Oops. Embark. Waffle. All right. Go through all of them. DAP tools. Ether lime. All of them. We're going to do all of them, guys. Every single one of them. Parasol. Parasol. Framework. Literally named framework. Parasol. What is it? OX framework? OX cert framework. Open Zeppelins. SBT. Open Zeppelin. Actually, I've been meaning to work with Open Zeppelin. SBT. There's so many here. Holy shit. Brownie. Oh, I love Brownie. Brownie Cobra. Brownie. That one's going to be a quick one because I've done that a million times. Cobra. Boom, boom. Okay. This is what we're doing. This is what we're tackling today. Boom, 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 boom. And truffle is done. Let's make these capital so that they don't get mad. Pepin Zeppelin. Open Zeppelin. Brownie. Cobra. Boom. Okay. Hard hat. I've also done hard hat, so I can kind of cheat there. Hard hat, chain link. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna super cheat. But let's do it as if we were pulling from hard hat. Oops. Oh no, did I? Hard hat. Team development for blah 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 blah. Get started. Love a good get started button. Blah blah blah. I've already done that. Quick start. MPX hard hat. I thought they added like a hard hat shortcut. I'm kind of curious actually. Hard hat shortcut. ETH. Oh, that's hard hat. Hard hat. I'm going back to Ethereum. Blah blah blah. Travel hiring. Deploying to blah 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 blah. I thought they added a shortcut recently. Hard hat. Shorthand. Shorthand. Aha. HH will be equivalent to running NPX hard hat. Oh. Well, I'm definitely trying to install that. Oops. Oops. Oh, that's sick. Okay, anyways, quick start. So if I just run HHH after installing this, make dr hard hat cd hard hat HH. You are not inside a hard hat product, or hard hat is not locally installed. What? Well, you should do that. Hard hat completion install. MPX hard hat. I thought it was equal to running MPX hard hat. MPX hard hat. You lied to me. It's not the same. That's close, whatever. Trying to use non-local installation of hard hat, which is not supported. Please install hard hat locally using npm or yarn. Oh, whoops. Because I'm a big dummy. I feel like most of the time, as like a smart contract engineer, like most of my time is spent like waiting for stuff to deploy. Like honestly. Oh, I'm so excited to compare and contrast all these. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. So now if I do hard hat, it should freak out and not actually work. Okay. Cannot find. Oh, do I not have this installed? What? Quick start. MPX hard hat. I just installed it, so now I should be able to do this, right? Oh, hard hat, what you doing to me? npm install. Okay. Find dependencies. Sure. I don't like it when stuff doesn't work right away. It's very unideal. And we're doing them all from scratch. Scritchty scritch scratch. Kinda. We're a little bit cheating. We're gonna copy and paste if we've already done it. I'm not trying to do it twice. Look how fast Truffle was. Wow, amazing. Okay. MPX hard hat. Why is it pissy at me, huh? Code hard hat config. Oh, is it because I have a weird hard hat? Patrick code node modules. Oh, do I just have to delete? What is this? It's because I have a. It's because I have a project already made it in the same directory, I think. Remove hardhat.config.js. Acquire stack. Well, what's the issue it's giving me? It's just, here's what we're gonna do. Remove -rf node modules because. Oh, they should be on the other side? Oh! I'm a freaking moron. Thank you. How do I do the select all? Let's... select all VS Code. Control D to select all. Oh, I'm on a Mac. Is it Control D? Control D? Nope. Command D? That's close enough. Copy. Thank you. Oh, God. Copy. Oh, God. And then actually, I think I can do Command down. Nope. Command Shift down. Nope. Command D. Nope. Command D. What's the tool? Do Shift select. Control D. Do Shift select arrow. Shift. Command. Oh no. I don't have select. Control Shift down arrow. Is it Control Shift for me? Oh, it is Control Shift for me. Ah, thanks, man. Ah, appreciate it. I always forget like all the little shortcuts. Cool. All right, that looks nice. Thank you. Appreciate that, Alpha guy. All right. Where were we? Okay, we were freaking out with Installation. Boom. ls. npm install substates. Yeah. Okay. We have our Friday iced tea lemonade because I am a sugar addict. How much of your time is spent developing things you want versus develop things for CL? Honestly, everything that I want to develop is with CL. I mean, one of the benefits of being a developer advocate is I get to kind of build whatever the hell I want to build, and whatever the hell I want to build is pretty much always based and always Chainlink related. So it's kind of really easy for me. I just build whatever the hell I feel like building, and then it's always Chainlink anyways. So I think that's a hard question to answer. Pretty much every time I want to build something, it's always something that's Chainlink related. But do you have dev tasks, or is just dev whatever you want? So developer advocacy is the best freaking role because I can kind of do whatever the hell I want. So I'm not like on the core team, right? I'm not like doing Go PRs and stuff. So I write Go code because I like to be familiar with how the Chainlink core code works, and I like to understand what's going on. And if there's an issue, I want to know how to fix it. For a random user who's running into something weird. So dev tools, I mean, it's really whatever I want to do, which is super nice. I develop, I build stuff, insofar as it's fun and it helps you guys be successful. I mean, that's what it's really for. At the end of the day, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build stuff to make your lives easier, to make my life easier, to make smart contracts and Chainlink engineers' lives easier. So the dev tasks that I have are kind of assigned to me by myself. So it's, where to find jobs for Solidity devs all over the place. Any project that you've seen that you think is cool, jump in, start coding, start contributing to the open source projects. I mean, everything in blockchain is open source, which is phenomenal. So you can just become a crazy awesome participant, and just people are going to want to hire you. The other way that a lot of people get hired is if you show up to a hackathon, you crush that shit. People want you. If you build a sick project, like that's, and even if people, even if you don't get picked up from a hackathon, you now have this sick project on your resume, or you do what a ton of these projects do, like 1inch, Instadap, pull together all these products. They started off as hackathon projects. Like 1inch was a hackathon project, and now it's like the best DEX ever. Like I know Uniswap is hot and awesome, but I pretty much always use 1inch, which uses Uniswap. But yeah, they're all over the place, What was I doing? Yeah, so my job is a little bit different. I get to code kind of for fun, and yeah, at the end of the day, my job is to help you guys be really successful. So I code insofar as it helps you guys be successful. So anyways, speaking of being successful, I'm getting pissed off at Hard Hat. MPX Hard Hat. Okay, now it's working. I'm going to quit. I want to try did I delete this? Okay, now it's working. Oh, weird. So this is why I hate JavaScript. Let's do this. Create an empty one. You need to install it locally to use it. npm install. Okay, great. Let's do that. Hi, what is a smart contract? Great question, friend. Smart contract is a regular contract, but all the logic is written in code instead of between two parties. So it is a decentralized agreement that removes any third-party intermediaries, creating a more trusted and what's known as like trustless agreement, where you don't have to trust the other party is going to do the right thing because the code will auto-execute whatever logic is in there. So, yeah, piece of code on a blockchain. That's another way to put it. Good question. So what am I doing now? Got some hardhead stuff. Oh, is hardhead in here? Oh no, got some hardhead stuff in here. Cool. Hardhead config. Cool. Package lock. Great. Cool. We're gonna cheat a little bit again because I already did this and I don't want to do it twice. Contracts, price consumer. Oh, I already did this whole thing actually. I could probably just copy paste this repo. New folder, contracts, new file, price consumer. I'm not gonna do the v3 part. All right, I'll do the v3 part. Rename v3. Cool. Yep, cheating super hard because I've already done this. Yeah, if you want to learn more about smart contracts, what's the best place? Like, if you just Google what is a smart contract, I'm sure you're going to get good results, actually. Smart contract. Yeah, this video is really good. And if you want to know what smart contracts can do, check out my Alpha Chain YouTube, actually. And Sia has some good videos as well. Yep, for sure. Also, if you want to see kind of like a funny one, I very much like this video right here, this movie plots one. It shows like what smart contracts could solve, like if smart contracts were like a thing, like in popular movies. Eat the Blocks YouTube. Yeah, there's a lot of sources. There's a lot of sources. Okay, what am I doing? I'm still copy and pasting. Haha. Scripts. Deploy. Again, because I've already done this. New folder, scripts, new file, deploy.js. Ethers, price consumer, deploying. Cool. Remix versus VS Code for writing Solidity code. You're going to want to use a framework. You're just going to be way faster. You're going to be way faster coding. You're going to be way faster iterating on tests. I mean, Remix is great for learning, but it's really, I mean, it's really up to you at the end of the day. But I think VS, like, if I'm trying to do something good, I'm doing it in VS Code. So, good question. I'm gonna skip tests. I know it's bad, but we're gonna skip it. We're literally just trying to rip through these. Okay. All right. I have this environment variable set. Cool. What's my README look like for here? Probably even just copy the README. Yep. Okay, so I can just do yarn and then yarn. But Remix catches errors for me, although you can connect Remix to localhost and use both simultaneously. I mean, when you run like compile, your VS Code's also going to catch errors. Oh, you're saying like even before that, right? We just need better. We need better like VS Code plugins to catch that stuff. But fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. You can connect Remix to localhost and use both simultaneously. Do you have a demo on how to do that? I'm curious to see how that works actually. Because if that's that sounds kind of cool actually. If you have a demo you want to link me, that would be great. All right, cool. Yarn test. So let's just do this. Let's deploy. Error, because I'm literally copy pasting stuff. Source file does not specify require compiler considering blah 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 blah. Oh well, I should. Yeah, I should Probably do that, huh? Oh, wait, it is in here. What's this command do? Remixed? Remixed ETH. Oh, there's a package. Was that it? And then open remixed. Remixed. Oh. Well, that's kind of cool. I still want to use this ideally. Excuse me. Because it's like the imports and stuff aren't going to work the same. Like if I'm importing from like a like Open Zeppelin or something, like the syntax is going to be different. Oh yeah, that's kind of annoying. But that is really cool. Actually, I didn't know that. Thanks for sharing. Everything works the same. Even the Open Zeppelin like imports and stuff? V3 not found. Artifacts. Whoops. Interesting. Oh, that's super cool. I'll have to play with that at some point. Do both at the same time. Is your coin a scam? No. Also, Patrick doesn't have a scam. Or Patrick doesn't have a coin. Just super lost my train of thought here. The library chain is non-stop. Oh, yep. Although he's got the Twitch emoji next to it. Or emote or whatever the hell. Work now? Yay! Probably should get a read. Do I not have a read script in here? Scripts. I have a deploy, but I don't have a read. Hardhead test. Oh, it's because I probably do the test. Oh, no, I ran an error. Deploy to blah, blah, blah. VM execution error. I'm super excited to get to the Python ones. I fucking hate JavaScript. Has this been deployed? You know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to cheat a little bit, guys. What are you building? I'm actually just, I'm looking to test out all the frameworks and see like what's best. Remove dash so I've already done a couple of them, like Hardhat, Truffle, which I shouldn't be copy and pasting. I'm just going to git clone. Okay. What do you think about F2? Super fucking excited, man. Like, really, really, really excited. Okay, git clone, yarn, HH test, yarn. Do it manually so I can mooch off the vid later. Okay. Well, so for you, you can actually just clone the repo that I already have, and you can clone this repo. I'm going to put this up. I've got 2 validators going now. Oh, hell yeah. That's what's up. 2 validators. That price spike, huh? Like doubled the price of your validators. E2, yeah, it is. Like, sharding is so freaking sick. Like, classic forest hold, yeah. Yeah, sharding is super sick. The energy efficiency is so sick. The fact that you don't have to, like, destroy your computer is great. So let's see if this works now. Hardhead test. Oh, goodness. All right, cool. Yay, it works. Hardhead works. Cool. I was cheated a little bit, but it's fine. Read me. Hard hat. Boom. Look at that. 2. Embark. Okay, this one I've never used, so we're gonna learn. Hard hat versus truffle. This is hard hat versus truffle versus embark versus waffle versus DevTools versus Etherline versus Parasol versus blah 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 blah. Sorry, Ganache. Ganache. So truffle uses Ganache. Hard hat uses. So Ganache is a local blockchain. A local blockchain, development like environment. Like truffle uses Ganache to run tests. Hard hat doesn't use Ganache. Hard hat uses its own like Hard hat virtual environment. So Hard hat and truffle are very different on the back end. Delicious. Okay, what is Embark? Embark is a framework that allows you to easily deploy decentralized applications, or dApps. Sounds about right. Decentralized application, blah, 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 blah. Embark currently integrates with the Ethereum, IPFS, Whisper. I don't know these two. Swarm, when does this last? 2 months, 5 months, 3 months. Okay, so clearly I have a meeting invitation at 1. Yay. Oh, that's exciting. So won't be able to stay online with you guys forever. Sorry. Yeah, does that make sense though? Like, they're not the same. They're Truffle and Hard Hat are like frameworks. Ganache is it's a local blockchain, so it's very different. With Embark, you can blockchain. You can blockchain with Embark. Automatically deploy contracts in your JavaScript code. Contracts are available with JS with promises. Do test-driven. Do TDD. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's see complete documentation. Hopefully they have a quick start. Aha! I love this button. I love. All right, in this we're going to, okay, cool. Let's install Embark. Okay. Make dir Embark. cd Embark. Clear. This one. Oh, we're using npm for this. I should just do yarn for everything. Whatever. Why not just stick to truffle? Why not just stick to Windows? Why not just run Windows for all your servers? Why not just stick to I'm testing them out. We're gonna see which one's the best. Windows does suck. That's what I'm saying. Linux is. I agree. But that's what I'm saying though. Like if you always use Windows, why not just stick to Windows? You would have known that Linux is the shit. So. In order to get results quickly, Embark comes with a demo command that scaffolds and set up a complete action. Okay. See. Okay. Well, then let's do that. Oh, just gotta wait. Does Chainlink have a quick start button? I think we did. Getting started. We have getting started, which is the same thing. Yeah, we have getting started, which is good. It really depends on tutorials, which is good. Why hasn't Ubuntu Mate been used as a dating service for local Linux servers near you? I don't know. You should be the first to make that. That sounds great. Find local hot Linux users near you. Wow. I'd sign up for that. Except for I'm dating somebody who's awesome, so maybe not. Okay, Embark, you take about decentralized dating service. Actually, I think I did see somebody do that, which I thought was really cool. It sounds kind of silly, but I think that's actually a really cool idea. Like a non-intrusive, I think that would be really cool. Okay, cool. After about a year, we're in here. Now what do we do? Embark CD, embark demo. Embark. Actually, let's just do embark. What happens when I do embark? Commands, new. Creates a basic embark file demo. Creates a working DApp with a simple storage contract. Okay, build, run, exec. So it's super similar to Truffle. Console blockchain. Similar to test, reset, graph. Generates document based on the smart contract configured. Generates. Really? Does Truffle have that? That seems really good. Truffle. Jesus. Build, compile, config, create, yeah, debug, develop, execute, install, migrate networks, opcode, publish. This is a really cool one. Run, test, unbox, version, embark. Okay, I gotta try this one. Scaffold creates a contract and a function tester for you. Example contract. Upload your DApp to decentralized storage. That's cool. Version. Okay, I'm gonna try this graph thing. That seems sick. Okay, let's do the embark demo. Initializing embark template. Okay. This is JavaScript based, so I already hate it, but it's fine. It's fine. How was Octobay? Are you the alpha guy who's contributed to Octobay? Is that you? Marcus has been saying some really good stuff about you. Yeah. Oh hey, how's it going? Yeah, Marcus has been saying some good stuff. I think Octobay is a really cool project. It's super infancy. I know he's working really hard on it, but yeah, I saw that you're contributing, which I think is awesome, and I would love to see that become like a real project. I think it's really cool. I think his UI is super, super slick. It's really clean. It's a really clean UI, which is really important in the crypto world. Having a really clean UI is what's going to facilitate people using it or not. So, I mean, every UI is, yeah. So I was really impressed by the UI. Every good crypto project today, yeah. I love how it was inspired from Uniswap. Every good crypto project today has like a nice UI. You know, Uniswap has a good UI. Aave has a good UI. Yearn Finance has a good UI. Like you pretty much have to have a good UI. I'm gonna spend like 10 years doing this freaking just unboxing stuff, you know. What if I should post to Twitter? Is there anybody else who does like smart contract? Blockchain? Nope. Blockchain? Twitch? Blockchain bullets. Not really. How many code reds do you drink a day? Y'all funny. Y'all funny, chat. These aren't code reds. These is brisk iced tea. I'm trying out a new drink, and I'm addicted, so I can never buy them again. Otherwise, I would suck them down. Here we go. Okay, finally, after 12 years, man. Holy. Embark demo. We're gonna we're gonna copy all this. Actually, we're gonna move it all. Move. Move. Okay, we'll copy. Wait, why? MV. Why am I? Oh, gosh. Move. Does that work? Oh, yeah, that works. Remove. Embark. Okay, cool. All right, nice. Okay, cool. Thanks, Embark. So create a demo application. Feel free to look around and get familiar with the products directory. But don't worry, we'll take a closer look at one of our dedicated guides. Okay, we'll take a look. App. Okay, this looks super familiar. Oh, they even give you a front end. Oh, I'm with this. And it's React, so that's cool. Is this using the webhook things? No. It's using like the older React, which is still good. I'm not super familiar with the differences actually. So it gives us a React or state hooks, that's what it's called. I actually suck at the front end stuff. Holy shit, that's a lot of files in here. Contracts, simple storage, that's all. Okay, that's your classic simple storage test, simple storage test. Some classic tests here, embark.json. So this is like your truffle config. That's cool. Embark graph. I'm excited to play with that. Test. No. Yep. Contracts. Yep. Config. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so this is some web server stuff. I don't know what this is. Testnet. Password. Maybe that's like your Infura or something. Private net. Password. Interesting. Blockchain.js. So this is also Ganache based. Okay, so this probably runs like a Ganache thing. Your mnemonic. URL of node. Okay, so this is Ganache based as well. Okay. Okay, well that's cool. I should put notes. I should put notes on this. README. Do Patrick notes. Ganache based. Comes with UI, with React UI, which is really cool. Ganache based comes with React UI. Running your app. The fast way to run your app. Embark's run command takes care of a lot of things. So just spinning up Ethereum and IPFS node. We're keeping an eye on the file changes, blah, blah, blah. There's other ways to run your app in case you need more control over the process. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Embark, run. I'm with this. This is... I don't know what this IPFS stuff. So I have IPFS installed already. I don't know what it's doing with IPFS, but I know a lot of these frameworks actually do something with IPFS. Blah, 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 blah. I think it's listening here. Do I need Ganache running? I don't have Ganache running. Oh, I think it's gonna run Ganache for me because it has this blockchain.js bit. It's gonna take 12 freaking years to do anything. Notes. Takes 12 years to do anything. So I just sit back and drink my brisk iced tea. Yeah, there's like no other like Python or like code streamers, I feel. Python programming. I don't know. There is. Oh, there's a bunch of people doing Python stuff right now. I lied. People streaming League of Legends and stuff. Why install IPFS in the first? So IPFS, I use IPFS actually to host NFT images. So NFT, the ERC 721 standard has this thing called token URI, where they decided, hey, if we put images on chain, that's going to take up a ton of space and a ton of gas, and like it's going to super suck. So instead, what they did is they say, hey, for now, screw it, just put it in a URL here, and when sites go to render your NFT, they'll just pull from the URI or URL that you have. And so I'm not trying to like host a server that's always up So I just put it on IPFS and it pulls from IPFS. That's how it does it. Is IPFS reliable enough, or is there merit to using something like Filecoin source? So I need to look into Filecoin. So I'm pretty sure Filecoin, I'm pretty sure Filecoin is IPFS. It's like a way to monetize IPFS. I think the NFT world is more infant than the DeFi world, and I think there's a couple of things that, exactly. Filecoin is an incentive layer for IPFS, but is IPFS reliable enough? I think using Filecoin with IPFS is the way to go. You're gonna want some type of incentive for other people to pin your node, basically. And I know there are services that do that, but I'm kind of looking for an update to the IPFS world as well. So maybe this is done. What happens after I hit run? You'll notice that once executed, once Embark opens up a dashboard view inside our terminal. This is a place where we monitor. I don't have this. If we prefer just Apple, no dashboard. Dashboard guide. Okay, so I don't have a dashboard here. IPFS process. It's probably doing something weird with IPFS. What happens if I hit this? Oh, what the? That's. Then type token in the Embark console to get your token. Oh God, what have I done? I'm not in the console though, right? Is this done? Is this still going? Switching from Embark 6 to Embark 6. Okay. Blockchain node is ready. Whisper node. What is a Whisper node? This is another Whisper node ETH. Yeah, I mean, so already we're seeing like Whisper nodes. Whisper is a pure. Oh, this is API without being based upon influence of peer-to-peer communication between the nodes of Whisper network server. Blah 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 blah. However, this might be necessary for a specific place of encryption version 6. So they're a type of Ethereum node. Oh, that's kind of cool. I removed validate result and it's still barfed on hex and DateStamp results. Is that what you meant to try? Yeah. What's the line it's freaking out on? It sounds like if that's the line that it's freaking out on, you're probably not passing correctly to the callback. Like you're right there. Like it sounds like that's really the last step. If console.log is working, maybe you want to console.log your result as well. See what's up there. IPFS process started. Maybe it's not working because IPFS or something. Embark run. Do I have to install Go to run a local Chainlink node? I think so. Well, because all the Go code is run crazy no out of the box support for Hex. You can make it. You can make the out of the box. If you do a Docker container, I don't think you need Go because you just pull the Docker image. I actually forget. I have Go installed, so I've never tried to do it without Go. Good question, actually. I think if you want to run it from source, yeah. But if you want to do it from the Docker, can you run Docker images without downloading what's inside? I think you can. We'll try Docker. Yeah, give it a whirl. The Chainlink docs talk about using it with Docker too. Okay, so this is taking forever. Yes, you can do it. Okay, cool. Yeah, if you can do it without Docker, then the answer is yes. I feel like that's a noob answer that I should know. But you know what? It's fine. So IPFS is having issues, clearly, right? Do I have to like start IPFS on my end? I should really be in the docs here. So this is what I don't like. Don't like it when the tutorials don't work, guys. Yeah, it downloads it inside the container. Or maybe, because what else it could do is it could like do the, yeah. Yeah, you guys got it. Status. Do I need this running for this to work? Run. If you install it manually, you will cry. What, the Chainlink code? I installed it manually. I didn't cry at all. It was great. Go. Oh, yeah, Go is kind of a pain in the butt to install. You will cry. Not necessarily. You won't necessarily cry, but... Alright, so I'm doing something wrong here with this IPFS thing. WebSocket proxy for node at this WebSocket, listening on this WebSocket. Wait, what? Endpoint for this, listening on a different port. Okay. Embark, you're disappointing me. How do I even run the damn thing? In order to actually start a blockchain client, what are the processes? I guess Embark is running now. I mean, no other process. Yeah. PFS process started. Let's see. Has anyone else run into this issue? Embark stuck. Stuck it. Aha! Look at this. Very recently. Boom. And nobody's seen this. That sucks. What's all I needed to do? What's it? Embark. Does this work? Works 6, yeah. I guess it's like running a web server. Deploy it, gives you the link, and the process keeps running, and it doesn't terminate. Well, so it tells me it should terminate, though, right? Once executed, you'll notice the Embark opens up a dashboard view inside our terminal. So we should be seeing a dashboard view. Maybe I'll just do this. Dashboard doesn't work in VS Code terminal. Oh, so maybe that's just what it is, actually. Try Mac terminal. Code. Frameworks. Embark. Okay, we're going. Embark run. So maybe that's what the issue is. It just doesn't work in VS Code. Maybe we'll skip the dashboard bit for now. Embark run. That's what this guy was saying. No dashboard. Dashboard. Let's try that. Nothing you can do to help debug dependency, blah, blah, blah. Commit test. Okay, save. Hi. Can you tell where node of version? This npm. Oh, this is a nightmare of an issue here, huh? This builds and runs nowhere. Let's see, a rough fizzle. I tried your project and blah blah. It's a bit intense, but at that point we don't have any solutions since your problem is really hard to track. Yikes. By moving back 2 versions of Node.js. Yikes. Yikes. I'm not trying to do that. So it looks like support is really terrible. Okay. Support isn't great. So that kind of is going to be a huge Embark framework. Let's see the lobby. Oh, maybe it is okay. Go to bottom. API IPFS is kill. I love that meme. Is kill. I am kill. I am kill. Oh my god, there's a movie. There was an awesome 4chan thread once I saw, and the guy was just like, I am kill at the end, and it was super good. Join room. Maybe we'll skip this for a little bit. Do I just delete that? Hello. I am running into this issue as well. Has anyone seen this? My mom is dead. Okay. Since Whisper isn't supported by Geth anymore, if you want the demo, okay, you need to disable communication module. Just take the demo or empty template and just go to storages and configure enabled false. Storage.js. Or storage.js config. Enabled false. IPFS. Enabled. Let's try that. Oh, I didn't see that. Did I see that before? Well, that looks new. What you doing to me, Embark? Come on, my dude. Let me embark on my journey. I don't know. I'm nervous to click this link after you just said my mom is my dad. Oh. Oh, that guy's actually super funny. MetaMask plus Polkadot, new tweet. Oh? You don't say. MetaMask Polkadot tweet. Yo, if Polkadot gets a MetaMask, I'm with that. I think Polkadot's super cool. So you can enter token as long as you can in Cockpit UI. First one. Plasma network. We'll integrate MetaMask on Polkadot.js soon. Ethereum users can make a Polkadot's address from their Ethereum key. Stay tuned. Oh, that's hype. That's pretty hype. It's supposed to exit so you can enter token, and you can log into the cockpit UI. Well, it's not doing that. So what if we do this? Because this demo thing is clearly not panning out the way we wanted it to. Clear, ls, remove. Let's kill this demo guy. Let's try something else. Getting help, guide on troubleshooting. It's a cute little UI though. Creating apps. Let's just start here. Once Embark is installed, there are different ways to create new apps. Fastest way to get up and running. Create blah blah. Embark. Okay, creating a new app. You've heard it. All right, let's just start from scratch. Embark's new command has got you covered. Similar to the demo command, is scaffold new. Embark new. Okay, great. Let's just do this. Embark new. Embark. There's that localhost mentioned at the bottom. Maybe start it and let it hang and try opening the link. So I was able to get to the UI, right? I just can't input the token. I just couldn't input the token because it wasn't exiting. So like the website was working fine. Maybe the front end was working fine. It was the dashboard back end that I don't know what was going on. So we're just gonna say screw it. Say demo having issues. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe something with my computer is off, which does happen. Demo would be because if I can even do this new thing. Oh my gosh, this takes forever. So what else? I guess we chill on Twitter while we Plasma, Polkadot, chill on Ada versus Dot for devs. I am planning on checking out Ada, and I will let you know. I will write a blog on it. So Dot I've worked with a little bit. Ada I haven't worked with. I'm working on Solana next, actually, so I can let you know how that one goes. Yeah, which is cool. I mean, the other cool thing about working with Chainlink is that it's blockchain agnostic, so we get to check out like all these different platforms. I mean, ETH is great. But there's all these other like cool tools. Like I think Polkadot plus ETH is like sick. This is a little frustrating. ETH is awesome, but those fees. Those fees. Oh my goodness. I did a 1-inch exchange today. It cost me $50. It cost me $50 to like convert some Link to ETH or convert some ETH to Link, and like, oh my goodness. Whew. Okay. Whew, we're in. Okay. All right. Let's do CD Embark. LS. Now we're gonna move star. Honestly, right? Like, what is this? What is going on here? Okay, so we're in Embark. Okay, new command. Let's check out the. We've been trying to do some ARB swaps on one chain, unless there is, honestly, yeah. So it still gives some oh no, it just it gives like the framework for like an app. Okay, so that's cool. So this is okay. This is where we would put our React stuff. That's cool. So config's the same. Contracts is empty. Embark. So it's literally the same. It's just blank. Okay, so that's cool. So this is probably all we probably really need to do is change this weird that config file. So okay, embark new from templates. Template option depreciation supportive. Support will be removed. Okay, so never mind. Another possible scenario. Okay, well it's depreciated, so we're not going to do that. Creating contract only apps. Sometimes all we really want to do is creating, developing, compiling, deploying smart contracts. Oh, so this is like without the front end. A note on simple. An earlier version was the same with simple. Okay, cool. Press project. It's a good time to look at resulting project structure. Okay, just did. This guy will explore with the all right. So they told us to okay. App contracts configs. Test. Cool. App is where the front end goes. Contracts where the contracts goes. Config. All right. This file will configure arc. Blah blah blah. We're on a blockchain node with Ethereum clients such as Go Ethereum Parry or a simulator like Ganache. I think we just checked that out. It just does Ganache. Oh wait. Oh, does it have multiple development Ganache private? Oh, you can do multiple. Oh. That's very cool. Contracts, yep. For configure, including their arguments, relation between certificate, specify where to deploy our smart contracts and how the application should. Okay, storage. This file is configured with storage components used. I feel like this is old. Do people still put their stuff in IPFS? Configuring decentralized storage. I'm gonna skip that for now. Okay, similar to, actually, you know what? Maybe it's cool. Let's look at it. It's just post your code to IPFS. I'm gonna skip that because I'm just gonna verify an Etherscan. I mean, it's not decentralized, but I'm gonna skip it for now. Once we get a decentralized Etherscan, that'll be sick. Similar to what blah blah. Use configure what blah blah blah. Check out Whisper. Configure what communication component should be used. I don't understand what that means. Check out our message configuration. Configuring messages with Whisper. With Embark, it's very easy to connect to messaging channels using Whisper. And this guy will blah, blah, blah. Okay, you know what? We're going to skip that for now. Web server.js. This is a file that connects to the web server, blah, blah, blah. Test. Embark. Test in JavaScript as well. Solidity. Do test. This is build output. Yep. Chains.json. This is the file you use to keep track of deploy contracts. Oh, awesome. So this is like the build. Is this like the build? Where is that? Dist. Oh, this isn't dist. Oh, I don't have a dist yet, of course, because I haven't deployed anything yet. Contract dist. Cool. Right. Running apps. Embark run. So if I run, we're gonna skip this dashboard bit. Actually, let's try to do the dashboard one more time. What I probably should have just done was got the demo and then just skipped running the app part. Yeah, because it's the UI is working, but it's attempting to start. Oh no, starting IPFS. Yeah, it's just there's something fishy is going on here. We're gonna skip it. So this is running the app without opening a browser, no server, pipeline switching environments. Embark run. Embark blockchain for the skip running and speed of blockchain nodes. So connect to the existing process and run command. The blockchain command also allows to specify environment testnet. Simulator restarting apps. Okay, so why does it put to me to running apps if it says, hey, we're not going to deal with apps using the dashboard, using the console. I mean, here's probably what we really want, building and compiling. Let's go some running apps. Embark takes care of quite a few things to develop, blah, blah. Building your app. Embark's build command enables us to build our decentralized application and deploy it accordingly. Similar to Embark Run, compiles our smart contracts, deploys them to a blockchain network that our app is connected to. This is probably a configuration, actually. Connect to a blockchain client, deploying a smart contract, or ENS, please head over to the dedicated configuration guides respectively. Is it this one? Configuring smart contracts. Ah, okay. When did you start blockchain development? Less than a year ago. So I got into like blockchain tech a little over a year ago. And yeah, back in February, I went to ETH Denver, and that was my first like blockchain developing experience. I took a class at ETH Denver, and then I was hooked, and I thought it was really cool. So yeah, little less than a year ago. So, but before that, I was doing a lot of like infrastructure, and like and like data, and data and fintech related coding. Cloud. I wasn't doing too. I did a little bit of cloud stuff. I've actually done a lot more since kind of doing blockchain stuff because it's so much easier to just run stuff in the cloud. Before I was doing more. I worked at like a hedge fund, and there was no cloud. It was all machines that the company owned, which was really cool. Okay, as many decentralized power, it's very blah blah blah. Basic smart contract configuration. Unless specified differently in our applications, smart contracts are configured either in the config contracts file or for dealing with smart contract only app in the contracts.js file. So we're not doing the smart contract only app. Maybe we should just do that because it's frustrating. You know, maybe we should just do the smart contract only app. Just do contracts only. Because what's that? It's probably just going to strip away. It's probably going to strip away the app. Maybe it'll change our config a little bit. You know, let's even just do that. Embark, new, embark. Actually, you know what? Because I'm not really trying to have my front end. I guess it can be nice, but I don't know what's going on. Embark, new, embark. Guys, we're almost done. We're almost have an embark thing, maybe. Oh no, I gotta wait all year for this thing to download again. Oh my goodness. Have mercy. I'm out of brisk iced teas to wait. Oh. This is a yikes. Oh wait, no. Whoops. Gosh, base. Whoops. I deleted this by accident. Skip embark. I gotta do it. I gotta do embark. I gotta do it. Cause the thing is like, so I'm pissing and moaning a little bit, but I mean, these are all like, I mean, this whole blockchain stuff, I mean, they haven't had like 50 years to, you know, like when NPM freaks out on me, I think NPM has no excuse because it's had plenty of time to like figure its shit out. You know, these are open source projects. You know, I'm pissing and moaning, but you know they don't have like a team dedicated to like making them work. Right? It's just the open source project somebody made. I don't really know too much about the team, but yeah, I want to test it out. So obviously, you know, the first feedback is like, all right, like user experience kind of sucks. But I think the same thing with Truffle. The first couple times I used Truffle, I was super mad. I was like, I hate this. This doesn't work. Brownie's been the one I've liked the most, but I'm super biased because I love Python. I think Hardhat has been nicer than Truffle. I'd love an open source project like this that lets you deploy Flash loan contracts in an easy way. Well, let me show you something. There, Alcahara, Brownie, Flash loan mix. If you like Python, check this out. Boom. Allows you to do exactly that. Or Aave has generalized flash loans on GitHub as well. Oh yeah, you just got amped up. All right, so this one actually worked faster. Okay, so here we go. Blue star. Remove embark. Okay. Oh, readme. Does not have readme? Yikes. Honestly, right? They were just like, whoa, this is great. Okay, so now we don't have any of the app stuff. We just have, yeah, so it just stripped it down a lot more. Cool. Okay, great. Basic smart contract. Unless specifically embarked, just smart contracts are config contracts. Config. I don't have a oh, I do. Contracts.js. So this is my config. Embark.json is okay. So they split it up. Smart contracts, or if there's contracts.js file on the root of our project. I don't have a contracts.js. So it's still in the config. I actually like that, so it's standardized. They just haven't updated the documentation. Smart contract configuration replaced by environment deploy property with the name of the smart contract. The following code creates a configuration for the simple storage contract in the development environment. Development deploy simple storage. Oh, so default gas deploy development. You know, let's just add our contract here. Price consumer v3.sol. Gonna copy from this bed, Larry. Great, so now we have a contract. And what does it want us to do? Deploy. So in our config contract.js, right? This is where we just were. We have this deploy. Merges the setting with the default. Deploy simple storage from index. So do I do price feed? Actually, that's not what I called it, was it? Oh, price consumer. Consumer v3. We're gonna skip all that noise. Head over to our understanding environments. Default environment, blah, 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 blah. Default, DApp connection, gas, auto, deploy. Auto default. I still have to use Embark run. Okay, so Web3. So this is the connection. Right, so this is like for front end stuff. So default is this. But how do I fix that? Yep, okay, Embark run, okay. So that's what I gotta fix here. Building and compiling. Okay. Using Embark.js. So this is probably really nice for doing front-end stuff. I just don't know how to use it. I mean, Truffle has Drizzle too. I feel like you really just kind of want to use React for all this crap, though. So I want to change this dApp connection to mine using the dashboard. Smart card. Aha, configuration. Yep. Args. Yep. Sure. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Using proxy support. Oh, that's cool. That's going to be a plus. Disable tag. Okay. Accounts and deployment. Deploying to Infura. More details here. Oh, whoops, I missed something else. Accounts are going to move to the blockchain config. You can learn more here. Let's learn how to deploy. When deploying, blockchain client configuration. Bark uses blockchain.js inside the config folder by default for blockchain related. This can be configured to different locations if we want to. Oh, right. Okay, so in this blockchain.js, this is where, right, default enabled client is Geth. So the default blockchain is going to be a Geth. Aha, okay. Common patterns, okay. This is what we're going to want to do. We're going to want to do a test net. Okay. So let's do... Right, okay. So default, that's cool. We're going to do Kovan. And then it's just kind of the same stuff we've always seen. Yep, okay. Endpoint is going to be, okay, process.env .rpc URL. Accounts is going to be mnemonic. Cool. Comma there. What kind of data does Alpha Chain Seal Node serve? Mostly crypto data, mostly crypto pricing data, and a little bit of fiat, like what's the price of USD and GBP, for example. Thanks for asking. Okay. Most of the options are so enabled client to use. So I don't have a client. I just do endpoint. Okay. Mining, no. Endpoint. Yep. Accounts. Advanced parameters. I'm going to skip those. Private net configuration. Testnet. Mainnet config. Okay, cool. So I think that's how it's going to work. So so when I run now, do I deploy? So I'm assuming it's going to be like Embark run Kovan or something. I guess we'll find out. Yep. Interfaces ownable. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Deploy false. Possible to start a CL node now and be profitable. I mean, yeah, it's again, it's really like it goes back to. I wrote an article on this. It's totally different from running like an Ethereum node. You're working on. It's not something where you just kind of like. So I'm running an Ethereum node too. You know, you just spin it up. and you kind of let it do its thing. Chainlink node, you got to kind of constantly be on it. You got to make sure all your data feeds are good. You got to be reaching out to clients. You're on 24/7. It's needs some marketing. Yeah, I mean, I've had the luxury of kind of being able to form a lot of relationships early, which is really good. The Chainlink team is working really hard on making it easier for more nodes to kind of be a part of the process, though. So like with OCRs that's coming out, it's going to make it super easy for price feeds to have double, triple the amount of nodes without increasing the cost, because that's the real issue. You'll have a price feed with 21 nodes. Each node is responding. That costs gas. If you double that, you're doubling gas, and Chainlink is already using a ton of gas. So OCRs are going to make it way easier to run a node and be a part of the system. Is the goal to get to a point where the individual doesn't need to do the acquisition of data requests, more of a pool? If the acquisition of doesn't need to do the acquisition of data, more of a pool. Yeah. So it's like so the price feeds are meant to be like this community tool, right? Where everybody chips in a little bit, and it's going to be way cheaper than like even building your own acquisition, like even building your own oracles, because everyone's kind of chipping in, and it's super decentralized, and everyone just does this view function. It's gonna be way cheaper on gas, just way cheaper on everything, and exactly. So it's like this community tool to have kind of this definitive truth, this decentralized definitive truth of data points. So yeah, for sure, that's a good question. Okay, so I think I've configured this right then. Do accounts and deployment. Very cool. Yeah, it's like I don't think people really grasp the value, honestly, because it literally takes smart contracts from kind of doing like token transfers and like playing with money to like actually being able to build decentralized autonomous agreements. More details here. Common patterns. Yep. So how do I deploy it though? Do I just do embark run with a flag? Counts and deployment. You can learn more here. Counts parameter. Okay. Parameter, sure, whatever. How do I deploy though? Testing smart contract. How to deploy contract embark from different network. Count to deployment. Oh, that's so frustrating. What if I do embark run? Does that give me anything? Okay, here we go. Embark run. Port, no. Client, no. Host. Because the embark, I think, is running the... It's just running the app. I just wanted to... Yeah, this is such a useless guide. I mean, I could just set the default to Kovan, right? Embark, run, network Kovan. Would that work? I don't, yeah, I mean, embark, run. I mean, it's going to try to deploy to like a geth. Oh, what the Yo, guys, we got the freaking dashboard somehow. I apparently have solidity errors though. Now what do I do? Okay, let's go back to embark run, no dash, embark run, no browser, no server, pipeline, switching environments. Embark allows blah 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 blah. It's gonna be useful on blockchain, blah blah blah. Embark run environment. That's it. We just do embark run environment. Okay, well let's. How do I get out of this thing? Oh, we did it! Yay! We just had to get rid of everything. Hello. Now it's frozen. Can you unfreeze, please? Dango. CD. Embark. Okay. All right. Embark. Run. It's just we just do this. We just do Kovan. And this should deploy to Kovan. Oh. You have sliding errors. Fix them. So what happens now that I'm in the... Do I go to the cockpit UI? Cockpit UI. Can I click it? I have to zoom out a ton. Type token? Oh, right. Token. Token copy to clipboard. Copy. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, that's not what I wanted. Copy. Localhost. I thought it was 8,000? No, it wasn't 8,000. What is the freaking... Okay. 55556. Oh, shit! What happened to the token? Oh, okay. Copied. Oh, wait. It copies it for me. Enter cockpit. Son of a bitch. 55556. Oh my goodness, I'm in the cockpit, guys. Deploy contracts. I have none deployed. Well, why the frick not? Oh, this is cool. Oh, I get to own, the hell is this? Okay, I'm with it. This is pretty legit, actually. Holy macaroni. So I'm on Kovan. Own Block Explorer. Yeah, that's pretty nutty. Okay. All right, Embark. Okay. I'm with it. So what did my thing not get deployed? You tell me I ain't got no freaking smart contracts up. Contracts? You lied to me. I did the enabled true. Oh shit, I don't have deploy in here. Wait. Oh, it's because only for the default one. Shit. Kovan. This is the contracts.js. Got it. Okay. deploy. There's probably a way to actually deploy it like without having to do this crap, but let's just whatever. Oh, it's gonna make, oh my god. And it freezes again. Oh no, it doesn't freeze, it just can't see anything. Okay, so that's a little nutty. Okay, what's the command run? Embark run Coven. So now it should deploy this. Shit. Development. Oh. Whoops. Lamau. Default. Private net. Here we go. Okay. Coven. Oh wait, that was just paste. Coven. Comma. Here we go. Son of a bitch. Oh, I'm just gonna pray it's in the same freaking place. Okay, cool. Token. Oh, I love how it copies to clipboard. Doesn't give me the right freaking thing. Contracts. No contracts to deploy. Okay, well that's wrong. Okay, this is still cool though. So I ran it. Is there like a kind of like deploy it in here? Deployment, no contracts to display, editor. Add folder contracts. Please give the folder name. Contracts. Are they in here? Oh, what? What is VS barking on the price feed sol file on? It's yeah, it's this. Current compiler is this. Nothing, yeah. Actually, I don't know how to ignore that. Because you just, when you compile it, you choose the version and it's confused. So is there like a deployment, utils, communication, sign and verify? That's sick. Editor, dashboard, embark, type of command, deployed contracts. Okay, so I want to deploy a contract now. Thanks for sticking on, guys. This has been fun, even though it's been, like, annoying. Trying to get this thing to work. Oh, wait. Embark run. Here's what it looks like. Deployment done. This has been my exact experience with a lot of stuff in crypto. Yeah. I think it's just because it's so new. But this is why I'm going through it first, so that everybody else doesn't have to. So that's the hope, at least. Embark build. Maybe I need to do build. Yeah, it looks really cool. I just don't know how it works. Like, so I'm trying to feel like the back end. Like, I just don't know how to, like, I don't know, embark. Embark is not, like, I don't know. Cockpit guides, using the dash. Oh, deployment. Ooh. Okay. Selecting deployment. Already deployed. Son of a bitch. Just tell me how to deploy. This freaking smart contract. Like, come on. Accounts and deployment. This is a joke. Accounts parameter. Using production keys. I got to pee so bad. I actually got to jump off. I really have to pee. I got a meeting in 5 minutes, but I'll probably be back on in like 20 minutes. And this is what we're gonna do until I go to bed. Gonna try to get some of these. Try to get through the rest of these. Did anyone respond to me on the Embark Getter? Oh, ooh. It's Whisper not starting. Just go to communications to enable defaults. Since Geth is no longer supported, it just hangs. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll try this. Thank you. Actually, so they did respond. Yeah, thanks, guys. Thanks for jumping on. Yeah, and it looks like I'm going to actually go back and try the demo again. But yeah, I'll try to upload these to YouTube so that we can go back and reference. But all right, see you guys in a bit. Bye.